Hello and welcome to an all new episode of Policy Bazaar's Insurance Insights podcast. Today we bring to a very special episode where we delve into the real life experience of dealing with insurance claims. Anybody who buys health insurance, the real moment of truth for them is the point of claims. So today we have with us Diksha Tiwari, a Policy Bazaar customer who recently navigated the complexities of dealing with hospital expenses while caring for her hospitalized father. She got her claim approved, and today she'll share her real story with us as to how long it took for us, what her experience was like, and what advice she would have for all our listeners. So, Diksha, let's start from the very beginning. How did you and your father realize the importance of health insurance, and when did you buy it?
जब हमने हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस लिया था सो ऑब्वियसली हमने डायरेक्टली पॉलिसी बाजार से नहीं लिया था. एक छोटा सा पापा का हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन हुआ था एंड उसमें we had to struggle a lot to get the claim, and but at the end our claim was not settled again because we were not having you can say we were not having any individual whom we can connect with and get our things sorted. That's where we had to pay all the expenses on our own, and that was around up to 2 lakh rupees which we paid from our own pocket after having a good health insurance. Then I came to know about Policy Bazaar, and then I got in touch with them and I inquired about the policies. So I got in touch with an executive. She explained me different plans. So we chose a particular plan from Policy Bazaar. After 2 years, my father got hospitalized. We got in touch with our relationship manager. The person was there at the hospital. We had not to worry about filling up the forms. Basically, वो जो time था, that was me and my sister. We both were the only one who were taking care of our father. And हम लोग के लिए भी hospitalization and इतनी critical illness जो था वो बहुत shocking था. तो we both were numb. And having said that, we left our jobs. We were there full time at the hospital. Because we could not ask our mother to do all those things because to be very honest, my mother she's a housemaker and उनको इतना नहीं पता है कैसे हॉस्पिटल्स का फॉर्म एंड ऑल कैसे करते हैं, उनको बिल्कुल भी आइडिया नहीं था. आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू पॉलिसी बाजार. आवर रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर, वी जस्ट गिव हिम अ कॉल एंड ही वाज देयर इन अबाउट एन आवर. He was there, he filled up all the form, all the paperwork was done by him, and then even he guided us also. He consoled us that, ma'am, you don't worry, you stay with your father, I'll be there, I'll take care of all the chaos which is happening here. There were certain queries which were raised by the insurance company, but we were like free-minded at that point. We were having enough time so that we are focused towards our father's treatment and his health and his well-being.
Diksha, how did you ensure that the health insurance policy which you are buying is right for your family?
So basically, there were 3 priorities which I was having before choosing my plan for my father especially. So the first was his age. The second was the sum insured, and the third was which all diseases the insurance company is keeping us protected with. So these were the 3 things, and the company which we opted for quite satisfied all my needs. Initially, we opted for 5 lakh. Then at the time of renewal, I got it extended up to 10 lakh rupees. And at the time of third renewal, I got it extended up to 15 lakh rupees. I was also having a check on the billing part that कितना हमारा already expense हो चुका है hospital का. So second day only our expenses were up to 4 lakh rupees. So I was shocked, like what, because you know how nowadays medical treatment, they are very expensive. And for a normal person, it is kind of a mini heart attack after seeing that bill, right? On the 5th day, it crossed almost 6 lakh rupees. That was a point where I started panicking a little bit. But then when I had a word with the relationship manager, he told me that you don't need to worry because in past 2 years, you didn't had any claim. So you have no claim bonus. There's something no claim bonus which was added in my father's health insurance profile, which I was not aware of, to be very honest. And when I got to know, I was at ease. Chalo, okay, we are secure now. But then at the time of discharge, his bill crossed almost 15 lakh rupees. But then, because of Policy Bazaar, our entire claim amount got settled very easily. Many tests were done, endoscopic biopsy, many kinds of biopsies. Not only the hospital bill, but I was shocked, and at the same time I was happy also to know that all these tests which were done on my father was also covered in my health insurance.
Diksha, what was your issuance experience like? How much mental bandwidth did it take? How much time did it cost you?
So the day I had a word with my executive, who was explaining me the plans and everything. So I took a day. I had a word with my father. I had a word with my family, and we decided to go with a certain company, which we opted for. And the next day, I got a call with the executive, and I got my policy done. I made the payment and everything. And the same day, I got a call from the verification team. I verified all the details of my father. On this very same day, late night, I received my soft copies of the documents once the policy was issued. So it was a very hassle-free experience. I didn't face any issue regarding the issuance of the policy. So it was a very smooth process. And after my father's hospitalization, I even because see, I belong from a very small town. It's a tier 3 city, and people are not very much aware about health insurance. So I myself, after going through that experience of my father's hospitalization, I personally made sure, and till date, I make sure the people who are not having health insurance, they have to have it. So I make them aware, and I tell them my own personal experience of my father's hospitalization. I've seen my father for the first time like that, because my father is my role model, and I've always seen him standing still and being a strong personality for me, for my entire family. And we all always used to look after my father, that how strong he is. मतलब इनको कुछ कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है. एंड देन जब मेरे पापा बीमार पड़े, उस टाइम पे I was so, my mother was like कि you are going crazy, you have to take care of yourself so that you can take care of your father. But then मैं सोने भी जाती थी, मैं 24 घंटे में सिर्फ 1 घंटा सो पाती थी, और थोड़ी आवाज़ आई, मुझे ऐसा लगता है पापा ठीक है. मतलब ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस था. तो राइट आई एम गेटिंग ऑल दोज फ्लैशबैक्स. तो थोड़ा सा हो रहा है.
Diksha, now coming to the most important question. What was your claims experience like? Because when your father is sick, a family member is hospitalized, it can be daunting to deal with insurance processes. So what was your experience like?
जब मैं अपना हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस ले रही थी, दैट वाज 2 years बैक, तो मेरे को एग्जीक्यूटिव ने क्लियरली बताया था कि मैम, वी आर अलाइनिंग अ रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर विद यू. Whenever you need any help in terms of hospitalization or any test or anything, you can just give a call to your relationship manager, and he or she will be there with you in the hospitals, like doing all the kiosks, filling up the forms and coordinating with the billing team, coordinating with the hospital staff and everything. So I had that in my back of mind. So when I got my father hospitalized, the first thing which I did was to call my relationship manager. And as I've told you earlier also, he was there within 1 hour. And after that, I didn't face any issue regarding the claim, because it was such a smooth process. You won't believe, the doctor told us that he'll be discharging our father today. So the doctor was on the round around 11 a.m. and they told us now he is fit and we are going to discharge him today. And the delay was from the hospital's end, to be very honest. So the hospital was raising all the bills, running all the tele work which they were doing. So but उस टाइम पे भी हमारे रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर उस दिन भी वहाँ पे थे जिस दिन मेरे फादर को डिस्चार्ज होना था. तो 11 a.m. the doctor told us that he's gonna discharge my father today, and by 2 p.m. we were all free from the hospital and we were at our home.
Would you share any parting advice for all the families that are listening to you?
Guys, if you are listening to me, to be very honest, अगर जो आपके पास हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस नहीं है आज के टाइम पे, आप लोग बहुत बड़ा रिस्क ले रहे हो लाइफ में, बिकॉज यू नेवर नो कि अगले पल क्या हो जाएगा, राइट? सो कीप योर सेल्फ एंड योर फैमिली सिक्योर बाय हैविंग अ हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, and ये मैं अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से बोल रही हूँ. मेक अ स्मार्ट डिसीजन प्लीज.
Thank you for sharing your story with us, Diksha. And listeners, thank you for staying with us. We hope that Diksha's experience will be beneficial to you. If you still have any questions regarding claims or insurance in general, just ask us in the comment section below. We'll see you again next time.